Do you have trouble logging out of Facebook on all of your devices? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will walk you through the easy steps to log out of Facebook, no matter what device or browser you're using. After watching this video, you'll be able to sign out of multiple devices and protect the security of your account. So make sure to watch this video until the very end for fast and simple instructions on how to log out of Facebook on any and all devices. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, tap on the gear icon to go to Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Password and Security. And now you will see a section called Where you're logged in, and under that you will see your most recent logins. Just tap on See All to view all the logins. So once you are on this page, you can log out of one device by tapping on these three little dots and selecting Logout. To log out of all devices, simply tap where it says Log out of all sessions and then tap Log out. And now you have successfully logged out of your Facebook account on all devices except the one that you are currently using. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.